Hi everyone and welcome to Learn Fun English channel. In today's video, I'll share 40 simple daily sentences that you can use in everyday conversations. These sentences are perfect for improving your English speaking and writing skills. Remember to practice these sentences regularly to make them a natural part of your conversations. Let's get started.
I write in my journal every night.
I write in my journal every night.
You sing beautifully during the ceremonies.
You sing beautifully during the ceremonies.
We swim in the pool every summer.
We swim in the pool every summer.
He fixes his car when it breaks down.
He fixes his car when it breaks down.
She bakes cakes for her family on Sundays.
She bakes cakes for her family on Sundays.
It rolls down the hill when pushed.
It rolls down the hill when pushed.
They play soccer in the park after school.
They play soccer in the park after school.
I cook dinner for my family every evening.
I cook dinner for my family every evening.
You wash the dishes after dinner.
You wash the dishes after dinner.
We paint the walls together on weekends.
We paint the walls together on weekends.
He draws pictures in his sketchbook.
He draws pictures in his sketchbook.
She dances gracefully at the studio.
She dances gracefully at the studio.
It grows taller every year.
It grows taller every year.
They read books in the library quietly.
They read books in the library quietly.
I clean my room every Saturday.
I clean my room every Saturday.
You drive to work every day.
You drive to work every day.
We build sandcastles at the beach.
We build sandcastles at the beach.
He waters the plants in his backyard every morning.
He waters the plants in his backyard every morning.
She takes care of her younger brother after school.
She takes care of her younger brother after school.
It jumps over the fence when it sees a cat.
It jumps over the fence when it sees a cat.
They prepare tasty dishes for their loved family.
They prepare tasty dishes for their loved family.
I run in the park every morning.
I run in the park every morning.
You organise your desk before starting work.
You organise your desk before starting work.
We study for exams in the library.
We study for exams in the library.
He practices karate 3 times a week.
He practices karate 3 times a week.
She knits scarves during the winter.
She knits scarves during the winter.
It barks loudly at strangers passing by.
It barks loudly at strangers passing by.
They clean their classrooms every Friday.
They clean their classrooms every Friday.
I read a book before going to bed.
I read a book before going to bed.
You play the piano very well.
You play the piano very well.
We plant flowers in the garden every spring.
We plant flowers in the garden every spring.
She is creating a website for her small business.
She is creating a website for her small business.
She teaches math at the local school.
She teaches math at the local school.
It moves quickly when the wind blows.
It moves quickly when the wind blows.
They run marathons for charity events.
They run marathons for charity events.
I draw pictures of landscapes in my free time.
I draw pictures of landscapes in my free time.
You write emails to your boss every morning.
You write emails to your boss every morning.
We hike in the mountains on weekends.
We hike in the mountains on weekends.
He feeds the stray dogs near his house.
He feeds the stray dogs near his house.
She practices yoga every morning at sunrise.
She practices yoga every morning at sunrise.
That's all for today. I hope these 40 daily sentences help you in your daily conversations and make learning English easier. Keep practicing these sentences to improve your fluency and confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To learn fun English for more helpful videos, and let me know your favourite sentence or your own examples in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.